Across the diverse landscapes of our planet, hidden among the grasses and undergrowth, lurks a creature both captivating and terrifying, the Russell's viper. This highly venomous snake, with its distinctive markings and silent approach, has earned a fearsome reputation as one of the deadliest snakes in the world. Its venom, a complex cocktail of toxins, poses a grave threat to humans, particularly in rural areas where encounters are more common. The Russell's viper is a master of disguise, its mottled brown and yellow scales blending seamlessly with the dry grasslands and agricultural fields it calls home. This camouflage, while essential for hunting prey, also makes it a hidden danger to unsuspecting humans. A chance encounter with this silent stalker can quickly turn deadly, making awareness and understanding of this serpent's nature vital for our safety. But the Russell's viper is not inherently aggressive. Like most creatures, it would rather avoid confrontation. Bites typically occur when the snake feels threatened or cornered, often when humans unknowingly step too close. By understanding its behavior and respecting its space, we can coexist with this remarkable creature while minimizing the risk of a venomous encounter. The venom of the Russell's viper is a complex mixture of toxins, each component playing a specific role in subduing prey and defending against threats. This intricate blend of biochemical agents is a testament to the evolutionary prowess of the viper, allowing it to efficiently immobilize its prey and protect itself from potential predators. This potent cocktail is a marvel of nature's chemistry, but its effects on the human body are nothing short of devastating. When injected into a human, the venom can cause a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to severe, life-threatening conditions. The immediate impact is often excruciating pain, followed by swelling and bruising at the site of the bite. Understanding the composition of this venom is crucial for developing effective antivenoms and treatment strategies. Researchers meticulously study each component to unravel the complex interactions within the venom. This knowledge is vital for creating antivenoms that can neutralize the toxins and save lives. One of the primary components of Russell's viper venom is a group of enzymes known as hemotoxins. These enzymes are particularly insidious, as they interfere with the blood's ability to clot, leading to severe internal bleeding. These toxins target the circulatory system, disrupting the delicate balance of blood clotting factors. The result is a dangerous condition where the blood either clots too much or not at all, causing significant health risks. As hemotoxins course through the bloodstream, they can trigger a cascade of reactions, leading to uncontrolled bleeding, organ damage, and even death. The damage to blood vessels and organs can be extensive, making timely medical intervention critical. Another key group of toxins found in the venom are cytotoxins, which directly attack and destroy cells. These toxins are particularly destructive as they break down cell membranes, leading to cell death. These toxins target a variety of tissues, including muscle, skin, and internal organs. The damage caused by cytotoxins can be extensive, leading to severe pain, swelling, and tissue necrosis or death. The affected area often becomes discolored and may develop blisters or ulcers. The damage caused by cytotoxins can be extensive, leading to severe pain, swelling, and tissue necrosis or death. The affected area often becomes discolored and may develop blisters or ulcers. In severe cases, the tissue damage can be so extensive that it requires surgical intervention such as debridement or even amputation. The venom also contains neurotoxins, albeit in smaller amounts compared to the hemotoxins and cytotoxins. These neurotoxins are particularly dangerous because they interfere with the nervous system's ability to communicate effectively. These toxins attack the nervous system, disrupting the transmission of signals between the brain and the body. This disruption can lead to a range of symptoms, from mild tingling and numbness to severe muscle weakness and paralysis. While not as prominent in Russell's viper venom as in some other venomous snakes, neurotoxins can still contribute to paralysis, respiratory failure, and other life-threatening complications. The impact on the respiratory system can be particularly dire, as it can lead to difficulty breathing and, in severe cases, complete respiratory failure. Immediate medical attention is crucial to manage these symptoms and prevent fatal outcomes. Once injected into the bloodstream, Russell's viper venom embarks on a swift and destructive path, wreaking havoc on multiple organ systems. The venom's potency is such that it can cause immediate and severe reactions, making it one of the most dangerous snake venoms known to humans. The venom's complex interplay of toxins sets off a chain reaction within the body, leading to a cascade of life-threatening symptoms. These toxins work in unison, attacking various bodily functions and causing a rapid decline in the victim's health. The hemotoxins, with their potent anticoagulant properties, disrupt the body's natural blood clotting mechanisms. This disruption is particularly dangerous as it prevents the blood from clotting properly, leading to uncontrolled bleeding. This disruption can lead to both internal and external bleeding. Victims may find themselves bleeding from minor cuts or even spontaneously from mucous membranes. Victims may experience bleeding from the gums, nose, and even old wounds. This bleeding is not only alarming but can also be life-threatening if not managed promptly. Internally, bleeding can occur in the digestive tract, lungs, and brain, leading to organ damage and failure. The internal bleeding is often not visible, making it even more dangerous as it can go unnoticed until it's too late. Meanwhile, cytotoxins target cells directly, causing widespread tissue damage and necrosis. These cytotoxins break down cell membranes, leading to cell death and the release of inflammatory substances. The affected area around the bite site may become swollen, painful, and discolored as cells die and release inflammatory substances. This local reaction can be extremely painful and can spread if not treated. In severe cases, this tissue damage can be so extensive that it requires surgical intervention, including skin grafts or even amputation. The necrosis can spread rapidly, making early medical intervention crucial. The venom's impact on the kidneys is particularly concerning. The kidneys are vital for filtering waste from the blood, and any impairment can have serious consequences. Russell's viper venom can cause acute kidney injury, impairing the organ's ability to filter waste products from the blood. This kidney damage can lead to a condition known as acute renal failure. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, further complicating treatment and increasing the risk of long-term complications. The accumulation of these toxins can cause a range of symptoms, from fatigue and confusion to more severe outcomes like coma or death if not treated promptly. Immediate medical attention is crucial for anyone bitten by a Russell's viper. Antivenom is the primary treatment, but supportive care, including blood transfusions and dialysis, may also be necessary to manage the venom's effects. Recovery can be a long and arduous process, requiring extensive medical care and rehabilitation. The physical and emotional toll on the victim and their families can be immense, underscoring the importance of prevention and education about snakebite risks. Understanding the behavior and habitat of Russell's viper can help in avoiding encounters. These snakes are often found in grassy or bushy areas, and being aware of their presence can reduce the risk of bites. Educational programs and community awareness initiatives play a vital role in preventing snake bites. By educating people about the risks and first aid measures, we can reduce the incidence and severity of snakebite cases. Knowing how to administer first aid for snake bites can save lives. Simple measures like keeping the victim calm, immobilizing the affected limb, and seeking immediate medical help can make a significant difference in the outcome. With the right knowledge and precautions, the devastating effects of Russell's viper venom can be mitigated, allowing people to coexist safely with these fascinating yet dangerous creatures. Section 4. When venom strikes. Symptoms of a Russell's viper bite. A Russell's viper bite is a medical emergency requiring immediate attention. The venom of this snake is highly potent and can cause severe damage to the body if not treated promptly. Recognizing the symptoms of envenomation is crucial for prompt treatment and improving the chances of survival. Early identification of these symptoms can make a significant difference in the outcome for the victim. The severity of symptoms can vary depending on the amount of venom injected, the location of the bite, and the victim's overall health. Factors such as age, pre-existing medical conditions, and the time taken to receive medical care also play a role in the severity of the symptoms. One of the most immediate signs of a Russell's viper bite is intense pain at the site of the bite. This pain can be excruciating and is often the first indication that something is seriously wrong. This pain is often described as burning or throbbing and can spread rapidly throughout the affected limb. The sensation can be so severe that it immobilizes the victim, making it difficult to move or seek help. Swelling usually accompanies the pain, and the area may become discolored due to internal bleeding. The swelling can be extensive, affecting not just the bite site but also the surrounding tissues. As the venom spreads through the body, more systemic symptoms begin to manifest. These symptoms indicate that the venom is affecting multiple organ systems and can lead to serious complications. Victims may experience nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and a rapid heartbeat. These symptoms are signs that the body is reacting to the venom and trying to cope with its effects. Bleeding from the gums, nose, or old wounds is a telltale sign of the venom's anticoagulant effects. This can lead to significant blood loss and further complicate the victim's condition. In severe cases, victims may develop signs of shock, characterized by confusion, pale skin, and a weak pulse. Shock is a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical intervention. Seizures and coma are also possible as the venom overwhelms the body's systems. These severe neurological symptoms indicate that the venom has reached the brain and is causing significant damage. It is important to note that the absence of immediate symptoms does not rule out envenomation. The venom can take time to spread and cause noticeable effects. Some victims may experience a delayed reaction to the venom, with symptoms appearing hours after the bite. This delayed onset can be dangerous, as it may lead to a false sense of security and delay in seeking medical help. Therefore, it is crucial to seek medical attention immediately after a bite, even if symptoms are not immediately apparent. Early intervention can prevent the progression of symptoms and improve the chances of a full recovery. Medical professionals are trained to handle such emergencies and can administer anti-venom and other supportive treatments to counteract the effects of the venom. Timely medical care is the key to surviving a Russell's viper bite. The recovery process can be lengthy and may require ongoing medical care and rehabilitation. However, with prompt and appropriate treatment, many victims can recover fully and return to their normal lives. Awareness and education about the symptoms and treatment of Russell's viper bites are essential in reducing the mortality and morbidity associated with these incidents. By understanding the risks and knowing how to respond, we can save lives and prevent long-term complications. Section 5. A race against time, first aid and treatment. Treating a Russell's viper bite is a race against time. The sooner medical attention is sought, the better the chances of survival and minimizing long-term complications. While anti-venom is the definitive treatment for envenomation, prompt first aid measures can help stabilize the victim and buy precious time. If bitten by a Russell's viper, the first step is to move away from the snake to avoid further bites. Remember, snakes are not naturally aggressive and will only bite defensively. Once at a safe distance, call for emergency medical help immediately. While waiting for medical help to arrive, keep the victim calm and still. Movement can increase the spread of venom throughout the body. If possible, gently wash the bite wound with soap and water to remove any venom on the skin's surface. However, avoid applying ice or using a tourniquet, as these methods can worsen tissue damage. Once at the hospital, medical professionals will assess the severity of the envenomation and administer the appropriate treatment. This usually involves intravenous fluids to support blood pressure and organ function, as well as pain medication to manage pain and discomfort.